Dear Vigo video users, all the videos have the chance to get recommended to the homepage through machine algorithms according to your personal preferences. When you find a great video, we suggest you leave your comment, like it or share it with your friends. We highly recommend you to use the in-app camera and create your own videos. Inspiring and entertaining topics are easier to become popular, such as makeup, food, travel and comedy. An attractive cover or interesting title will also help your videos catch more attention. Repost and unoriginal content from other users or platforms are not allowed, and repeated uploading operations of your own videos is not accepted. Using filters or stickers of other video apps is not allowed as well. We appreciate all your contributions to Vigo Video. Dear Vigo video users, we highly recommend you add hashtag to your short videos in order to attract more attention. You can find recommended hashtags in the search page. Don't miss the chance to create your own hashtag and become the initiator of a new challenge. After shooting a video, click the Add Hashtag button to find a related hashtag or create a new one, then upload it. Everyone can notice this hashtag while watching your video, as well as find all the videos using the same hashtag easily. You can add only one hashtag per post, so please make sure to choose a hashtag relevant to the video content. Thank you for supporting Vigo Video.
Guys, it's Vigo. Good to see you all. So today I'll be sharing some of my personal tips on selecting cover of a video. So here we go.
Before uploading a video, we will enter the editing page. Tap here to edit title and cover. The title should be concise and brief. Then move the red box below to select your desired frame. The cover should be clear and properly reflect the video content, because people are less interested in low quality videos. It is inappropriate to use a title or cover to mislead viewers in purpose or deliberately convey a false information of the video. A great video will not only draw more clicks but also improve the overall visual look of your profile. So, best of luck.
Hi everyone, this is Ojasvi Verma, and as a dancer, it is important to choose the right track for my dance performances. You can start by clicking on the music button and enter the music library, where you will find the list of songs. Or you can just search for the title name or the singer's name. And here I found a lot of Despacito songs, from which I added one into my favorite list so that I can come back and use the same song again, just by clicking on the star button.
Despacito, si no estás conmigo. Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Deja que te diga cosas al oído. Scooby-Doo, papá, y el pum 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 pum.
दिखा था वो सबसे अलग था वो सबसे हंसी आगे मेरी बिरे उसकी आंखों से जम ली एक बारी दो.
Hi Vigo video users, this is Rashmi, and today I'm going to show you how to make videos in 3 different motions. So before you start shooting, click at the right top corner of your screen. There is this icon. You'll see 2 options, speed and timer, and we have 3 motions here. First one is normal, the second is slow, and the third one is fast. Click the fast option. It will give you the effect of acceleration and it will help you enhance the rhythm of your video. So let's see how it works.
it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it, baby. If you give it to me, I'll give.
Hi everyone, I am and I would like to introduce you to my favorite feature on Vigo Video, that is stickers. Open Vigo Video, click on shoot. In the bottom left, click on the stickers option and you are ready to go. Isn't that cute? Follow it right now and make amazing videos using stickers.
Dear users, Vigo Video, formerly known as Hypstar, is an original video community where you can create your own funny videos with our special effects camera and tons of cute stickers. The flame system is designed to encourage originality. Only original videos can have a chance to get flames, whereas copied videos are not allowed and cannot receive flames. If you have creative ideas or special talents, or just like discovering the beauty of life, then share your moments with everyone. We appreciate all your contributions to our original videos community. Hope you have fun with Vigo Video.